Did you know this fun 15-minute vlog is equal to 1 hour of normal boring classroom? But how? That's because comprehensible input is 4 times more effective than traditional learning methods. And this video is a comprehensible input vlog teaching you English. I'm pouring the milk. I poured the milk. Future, I will pour the milk. Okay, so he just flipped them. He flipped the hotok dessert around. What he's using, this tool is called tongs. In this video, I will teach you 20 new words along with grammar in a fun, enjoyable way using comprehensible input. And there will be 3 bonus words throughout the video, along with natural native English speaking conversations between me and my brother. So make sure to watch this whole video until the end to get the most benefit. And finally, in the very end of the video, there will be a summary of all the words you learned. So make sure you stick around to the very end to get that. And also make sure to turn on subtitles here. Just got back from the gym. Now I'm hungry. Let's make something to eat and eat it. I just made this real quick. Just eggs, some ketchup, lemonade. There's not much lemonade left. It's almost empty, the lemonade. Here's a potato. You could see there's sprouts. You could see some sprouts starting to grow on the potatoes. It's normal, you just have to cut it off. Thoughts on that? Oil in here. We're about to fry some meat. Fry this meat. This is chicken. We're gonna fry the chicken, deep fry the chicken in this oil. So we're gonna deep fry the chicken in the oil to cook it and then put sauce on it and then eat it. What's it called? It's called sweet and sour chicken. Some sweet and sour chicken for lunch is what we're gonna have. And you see today outside is very nice. It's a lot nicer than previous days. It's usually nice during the day, but then later in the evening it starts to rain a lot. Outside is very, very nice. Nice and warm. Remember guys, watch this playlist that has all the words. You could also go on my channel to find the playlist, or you could check the description for the playlist. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm gonna sell my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and just buy an action cam.
That was the main reason you went to Quito?
No. And then I'll sell the DJI because like, I don't really like the gimbal. I don't really like the gimbal too much, to be honest. Because if I want to show something down like this, the gimbal it's like never straight. And honestly, the action thing has like you can post stabilize it with digital stabilization and it looks fine. Because then I can use it literally anywhere. I don't have to worry about rain. Stabilization is fine, and all my mics connect to it. Waterproof, action, and I have like the extra attachments for the GoPro anyways. Okay, let's go get some lemons.
You know, if you rotate my motor.
Like rotate it how?
It's outside. Just turn it the other side so the sun's facing us so we can dry.
Okay. Now let's go get some lemons to make lemonade. This is my lemon tree. So let's go get lemons. And this right here, you could say this is my car or this is my vehicle. Usually car is like a smaller one, but sometimes you could call this a car too, but normally you could just say, this is my vehicle. But when you're speaking normally in normal speech, it's faster to just say, this is my car, than this is my vehicle, this is my car. Yeah. You guys could see the peacocks. The peacocks are just chilling. Chilling. Okay, we're outside now and my brother asked me to rotate his motor. This is a motor from his dirt bike. This is a motor from his dirt bike. So he wants me to rotate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna rotate the motor so the other side's facing the sun. Just like that. So I rotated it. Rotate the motor. Now let's get these lemons from the lemon tree. Those cows over there. You see them? So anyways, let's get these lemons. This big stick right here is a bamboo pole, and you use it to get these lemons down. a little bit hard. This one's nice and close, nice and easy. One lemon. Two lemons, two more lemons. So we have 3 lemons total here. Let's get another one. We picked as many lemons as we could. This should be enough to make a lemonade. Let's put them in my shirt now. So I'm putting the lemons into my shirt. My shirt is like a basket. I made a basket out of my shirt, putting lemons in. Got all the lemons here, you see this? Let's go make the best lemonade now, okay? With these lemons I just picked from the lemon tree. Okay, now let's make the lemonade with all the lemons we got. This is a cutting board. Okay, this is a knife, and now I'm gonna cut the lemons with the knife. I'm cutting. Past tense, I cut. Future tense, I will cut. I'm going to cut. Desire, I want to cut. So now I've cut this lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze the juice from the lemon into this container. This is a jug, so I'm gonna make a jug of juice with this jug, and now squeeze these lemons. And now I'm gonna squeeze all this lemon juice. Yesterday I dropped one of the dirtiest lemons inside of the juice, and that's why it was just like dirt chunks in there. That's why there was just dirt chunks in there. Honestly, I probably should have washed this out. Yeah, maybe I should. I could see all the dirt in there. This lemon is bigger than the others. But there's like not even that much more juice. No, don't break it.
It's kind of wet.
Yeah, don't break it. Just use the... What's that thing where you grind cheese with? And that sauce literally tastes like barbecue sauce.
This is sweet and sour sauce.
Okay, so we got the lemonade. We put water in it. And now let's put some sugar in there. I'm opening up the bottom of the blender. This is a blender. A glass blender. Now we'll put the sugar in there. So you see this? It's like, this is sugar cane sugar. I don't think it's gonna need all this sugar. Low key a lot. Oh yeah, you can see that? It's changing the color because of the color of the sugar. And now I'm mixing it. This is the food cooked with the fries. So yeah, that's the dinner. It's deep fried chicken, sweet and sour chicken with fries on the side. So it looks really good. I could probably eat this every single day. The food, now it's my plate, so let's go to the table. This is the dining table or the dinner table, or you could just call it the table. It's where you eat your food. Okay, so this is the food. Now let's eat. All right, what are you making?
Hot dog.
This is a Korean food, a Korean dessert. It's like a pancake thing. It's like a kind of in the shape of a flat pancake. You can see here, in the shape of a flat pancake, and you deep fry it. And on the inside, there's like this brown sugar. Brown sugar.
Nuts.
So pretty much, hot dog is like this Korean dessert. It's kind of like a pancake, but on the inside, there's like brown sugar and nuts. So when you deep fry it, it like caramelizes very nicely. And that's what he's making right now. Hopefully it's good. Okay, I guess you don't deep fry it, but you fry it in oil. It's not like deep fried, it's not deep in oil, but you still fry it in oil. But yeah, it's good. I've had it a lot when I lived in Korea. I ate it a lot. It was good. Now you can see the hot dog. They are frying nicely in there. They're frying nicely. These ones are frying or cooking, and these ones are waiting to be cooked. In Korea, they smash it down.
I know, but I don't have anything for that. Oh, I can use this like this. Oh, I filled these up like right full, so they're gonna blow up.
Okay, so he just flipped them. He flipped the hotok dessert around. This, what he's using, this tool is called tongs. It's called tongs. So they're looking really good. So we're gonna eat them very soon. Okay guys, so I have the hotok here. This is like caramelized. And I have milk and a glass. So let's put the milk in the glass. I'm pouring the milk. I poured the milk. Future, I will pour the milk. This is hot sugar, so it must be very hot. Okay, so I just finished eating that. It was pretty good. Very caramelized. Now I'm bringing my plate and I'm gonna put it into the sink. This is the sink and I'm putting it into the sink. Installing this camera, dash cam. Right here is where the dash cam is, so it's hidden behind the mirror, so you can't see it normally, and that's the dash cam. And this is the camera to the back, so there's a camera in front and to the back. Dash cam. Morning now, we're going to the gym. We might get these windows tinted. These windows tinted. If it's open, go to the gym. Maybe buy some meat. So that's what we got to do. So this is my window before the window tint. So there's no tint on it. And this is my brother, he's just sitting down on his phone. But this is before he puts anything on. And right now he's putting the window tint on. So it's this kind of dark film that he puts on the window to make it darker. Window tint. Window tint is what it's called. And it's very, very common in vehicles. You have my beautiful peacocks and my duck eating. How you guys doing? Look at you. How you doing? How you doing, buddy? Okay, so we're carrying this propane cylinder because we're gonna go get it filled up. We're gonna fill up the propane cylinder. We'll buy a new propane cylinder because this one's almost empty. But yeah, right now we are carrying the propane cylinder together. Past tense, we carried it. Future, we will carry. We're going to carry. Present, we are carrying. So right now I'm just standing up, stirring this pot as my brother films. This is like a long stick or a pole I'm using to stir this. And inside is just a lot of milk and sugar. And it's called dulce de leche or conserva. So this is a lot of smoke, like a lot of smoke coming out. And this is the fire. It's mostly charcoal. There's not really a lot of flame because we just want heat. And here my brother is stirring now. This is the pole I was talking about, or the stick to stir the liquid inside. And around that is the pot, a copper pot. This bird right here is called a rooster, and these are chickens on the ground. And now it's almost done cooking. We've been cooking it for a while now. Here we're dishing it up. We already ate a whole entire bowl, but we had to eat more just because it was so good. But it's very sweet. And here, these two dogs are play fighting. I know a lot of you guys think I have dogs, but these are not my dogs. They are my neighbor's dogs, but they are play fighting together. The very small dog and the big dog are playing together. What happened? Oh, holy man!
Look at this string.
Oh, you see this? You see this spider?
Look, there's another one up there. Oh, that one's been there way longer. This one just got here.
Oh shit! You see this spider right here? Right here.
Zoom in a bit.
And you can't see his web, but his web is all along here.
Might see if you turn on your flash.
And there's another one right here.
That wasn't there for a while.
There's another spider. So this is called a spider web. A spider is in the spider web. A spider web and a spider. So that is what you call that and that. A spider web and a spider. Wow. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end of the video. These are the words you learned today. You could see some sprouts starting to grow in the potatoes. Oil in here. We're about to fry some meat. And this right here, you could say this is my car or this is my vehicle. The peacocks are just chilling. So he wants me to rotate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna rotate the motor. This is a cutting board. So I'm gonna squeeze the juice from the lemon into this container. This is the dining table or the dinner table, or you could just call it the table. Okay, so he just flipped them. He flipped the hotok dessert around. This, what he's using, this tool is called tongs. Right here is where the dash cam is, so it's hidden behind the mirror, so you can't see it normally, and that's the dash cam. Window tint. Window tint is what it's called, and it's very, very common in vehicles. But yeah, right now we are carrying the propane cylinder together. This bird right here is called a rooster. A rooster. And here, these two dogs are play fighting. So this is called a spider web. A spider is in the spider web. A spider web and a spider. Now it's your turn to tell me what words or sentences did you learn today? Write them in the comments. And remember, I read all your guys' comments. This was my favorite comment from last video. So thank you, Andre from Kazakhstan, for commenting that. And if you want to be featured, make sure to leave a comment. And this is where you guys were from last video. Make sure you comment what country you're from again this video. And follow me on Instagram if you want. If you guys like this video and you want to see more, make sure you watch this playlist. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.